This is an ultrasound of acute pain in the region of the right hypochondrium of a 90 years old female. What we are seeing is the gallbladder. Now this is the gallbladder, and all of the gallbladder is filled with different strength internal echoes. The fundal region being relatively clear of the echoes, and this is the portal vein, this is the common bile duct. Common bile duct is not dilated, and the gallbladder is also not distended. By 7.1 into 3.2 centimeters. Now this is the longitudinal section that we are viewing. Here you see that the gallbladder, its wall is thick. This is the anterior wall of the gallbladder, and this is the sludge or debris within the gallbladder. This is the clear portion, clear bile. This is the wall, anterior wall, measuring 4.7. So more than 4 is considered to be abnormal. Now this shows, from this angle we see that the gallbladder is full of different strength echoes. Its wall is thick. This is the transverse section of the gallbladder, and see the debris, see the sludge. This is the longitudinal section in magnified view. Here you will come across the neck of the GBR. This is the neck of the gallbladder, and this is the sludge film, magnified view of the gallbladder. This is the body, and here comes the fundal region, and this finding is consistent with, you can see the wall thickness, that of the anterior wall, and there is small amount of fluid. If you concentrate, this is a small amount of fluid surrounding, a rim of fluid, small amount surrounding the anterior wall of the gallbladder. This is a case of acute cholecystitis due to mucocele of the gallbladder. Here we are. There is no evidence of intrahepatic bile duct ectasia, though the echogenicity of the liver has gone down, and we do see a normal pancreas, so no evidence of pancreatic involvement. This white band that you are seeing is the pancreas. This is the gallbladder from another view. So this is a case of mucocele of the gallbladder. This is a case of mucocele of gallbladder acute.